background are? Well, boys and girls, this is something that I've seen a few people trying, and it looks like lots and lots of fun. So I thought that this afternoon we could have a go at doing our very own shadow pictures. So I have chosen a couple of the animals that we've been learning about from Chester Zoo, and I've put them standing on a plain piece of paper. And then just behind my animals, I've put a light source. Now, you can use any light source. It might be a good idea to maybe use a torch. If you've got a torch, you could stand that on something, or you could do like I've done and plug in a light to shine behind your animals. And then wiggle it around until you can make a shadow. Now, we get a shadow because where the light is shining, if we stand something in front of it and it blocks the light, it makes a shadow of that shape behind it. And if you move your light further away, have a look what happens to your shadow. Because your shadow will change shape. If you move your light closer, have a look what happens to your shadow then. Will your shadow get longer or will it get shorter if you move your light closer? So we can do a bit of exploring with shadows today. Now, I don't think we're going to be lucky and have haylog today, but if we do, you could go outside and you could see if you could spot shadows outside as well. So today, I'm going to have a go at drawing the shadows that have been made by my wild animals. And I've moved my light to the place where I think I get the best shape. And now I'm going to have a go at drawing around the outline. I'll just move my little penguin for a minute. I'll pop him there. And to start off with my lion. Now my lion is holding his foot up. So it might look a bit of a funny shape when I draw around him, but that's okay because this is the shadow that's being made, that's being cast by my lion. Let's see. Oh, there we go. There's his leg. And this one comes around here like that. So here is my lion shadow. Now, it doesn't look exactly the same as my lion, but it's very similar. So there's my lion one. I could colour that in afterwards, couldn't I? I'm going to do my penguin now. Stand him there. And if I move him further away from the light, I'll see his shadow changes a bit. Right, let's do this coming up here. See the shadow from his beak and the shadow from his wing, and then he's standing just here, there. So that is my penguin shadow. Again, it looks a bit like him, doesn't it? So this afternoon, spend a bit of time finding out about shadows and exploring and seeing if you can do your very own shadow pictures. Hwyl fawr. Bye bye.